はいはい。Good morning from Okinawa. Hi, this is Jun from Okinawa Wanderer. How are you today? Today, Okinawa is very clear and happy Friday. Let's enjoy annual Happy Friday live casting tour at 首里城. Now we are at the 首里城 Castle site, and as you know, 首里 Castle burned out 2 years ago. 10月31やね。October 31st. だから2 years ago. October 31st だったよね。And October 29th today. So just 2 days. And I will show you how changed the 首里 Castle. こんにちは。Let's go. ね、You can make a pose. 空手ね。こっちからね、本当はこっちから入らないと。In the Ryukyu Kingdom rule, the center of entrance is only the king and the royal family, and local people have to walk in the side of entrance. But today it's okay. You don't need to worry about that. There are many this kind of stone monument inside the 首里 Castle. あれは言ってなかった。That is a 守礼ゲートね。守礼の門、守礼ゲート。Before 首里 Castle built, I mean the 首里 Castle rebuilt in 1992だったと思う。Then before that, only 守礼 gate here is nothing. Actually, Ryukyu University was located this castle site. And this is the そのキャン歌き。That is also the one of the World Heritage. It's a praying spot, very very important sacred place. I 今日は首里城をね回ってみたいと思います。これは関海門、関海ゲート。I think these are original. 多分ね。Of course, those are built later. Recently.
階段上がって3つ目の門が券売所でございます。はい、気をつけて階段上がってください。はい、いらっしゃいませ。足元のご注意ください。
getting busy ね。Come back.結構観光客が戻ってきてますね。ゆっくり行こうね、ゆっくり。今日はね、I wear the purple t-shirts. There's a new one because purple is very traditional and high class. People wear purple in Ryukyu Kingdom. This is a spring, very important spring, and that is a dragon shape, right? It's called Ryuhi. In Ryukyu Kingdom, it's the most important water in the castle and very tasty. And Ryukyu kings drink this water, and Chinese can supposed to not the people from governor from China drinks also, and then they say also it's very tasty. That dragon stone dragon is original. It's from China, and then already 500 years he's here. Mm. さっきの流氷、水が湧き出てますけど、王様たちがね、飲んでたすごい大事な水。すごいラッキーだね。すごいいい天気。Very nice weather. Very lucky.
空が澄んでる。
ね。This is 牢国門。牢国門は、there was a water clock inside. 水時計がねここに入ってて時を、教えてたと。